Alright pros, so today we're talking about something that can really speed up your sheathing job. This is SpeedSpike. So here we have what most jobs will look like. Most of them will have an insulated sheathing that you can see down here. And in the process, you have to nail one of these down in every single of those nailing patterns. Now that can take up a long time. And every one of those moments slows it down. So what we have here is the first widely available 4.5-inch collated nail. This is going to help you get through that thick layer of sheathing as well as the insulation. This means that you're not stuck putting one of these nails one after the other. Now we're going to load it up into our big Verta. Again, make sure you have it plugged into a compressor, running about the same PSI that you would with any other tool. I'm going to rack it back. Insert the nails, and then release. So now that we have it loaded, let's go ahead and shoot some nails. Just spike it. SpeedSpike, you can drive through a lot. So what did we learn today? Instead of this, let's do more of this. Less stopping, more nailing.